Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video I'm going to show you what is the proper way of applying a screen guard to your Android phone. And I have purchased this KARTRONICS screen guard for my Mi 11 Lite, and this is one of the best screen guards which you can buy for the Mi 11 Lite, and this is a very shiny phone guys. And I've not even removed the original screen guard which comes with the packing etc. And this is the add-ons which you get with the screen guard, some documentation etc, which I'm not going to bore you all with, and y'all can check out the link in the description guys if you all want to buy it from Amazon for cheap. And let me just show you what else we get. And we have this tempered glass guys. Definitely this is going to be applied, and I really like the packaging over here. And as you can see at the borders etc, it is having that black border, and even at the punch hole it is having this small kind of cutout. And let me know in the comments below what screen guards y'all are using and all. And these are the cleaning wipes which you get. One is with the dry and one is the wet. So first we need to apply the wet, and this is nothing but the alcohol dipped cloth which we get it, and this is going to remove it. But before that, let me just remove the existing screen protector which you get while you buy or purchase a phone. And it is going to leave some glue etc guys. So just to get rid of it, I'm just going to wipe it with this alcohol. Also guys, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any updates whenever we upload any new video. So after this we have to remove it, all the dust and lint etc, and later on use another cloth like the cleaner one for removing the excess alcohol. So without this step guys, please do not go forward, because this is a very important step. And please make sure that you all are not rubbing this very rigorously, as if you are rubbing this rigorously then it can damage your screen. So let me just remove the protective casing from the screen guard, and yes, it in the hand it really feels premium guys. So this is one of the I think premium screen guards which you can get for the Mi 11 Lite. As you can see, you'll just have to place it and just press it, so it is auto going to apply automatically. So sometimes you might get some issues like this, so what you have to do is slightly raise the edge guys and then correct it, because in my case I have not applied it properly. And now as you can see, the bubbles are less. And make sure that you all are not lifting this completely up, you are just lifting it slightly above the screen. So this is going to protect your screen from getting some dust, lints etc. So just repeat the procedures guys, and you all are going to become perfect. As you can see, I've just pressed it at the edges towards the outer end, and the screen guard is fitting perfectly right now. Let me know in the comments below if you got any screen guard to be used directly perfectly in the first glance. As you can see, this is perfect guys, and there are no scratches or bubbles and all. So I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, and do also check out our other videos on our channel. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this, and thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.